today's video, we're going to talk about the noise problem. Because we got feedback from our customers that when they first receive their weather stations and they try to shake the parcel and they can hear the noise from the product, and they saw that some parts were get lost or they may be damaged from the long distance transportation. But I'm gonna tell you that it's all correct. It's all normal. The sound is normal. It's not the problem. The product's not damaged. I'll show you where the sound comes from. Here is a ring gauge we open for you, so you can see inside. There is a ring collector. Here is how it works. Did you hear that? This is where the sound comes from. And here's the outdoor sensors. So the sound is perfectly right. So it's from the ring collector. It's all okay. Your product's okay, no problem.